Okay. So, hello. Today we will make a video of something I found on YouTube. It's about an put a finger down if crash edition emoji, monkey emoji. Put a finger down if quiz TikTok. Okay, let's see what is this about. Okay, I pressed the wrong button.
Hey everyone, welcome to Point and Prove. This is Put a Finger Down, Crush Edition. If you put 30 fingers down, you're obsessed with your crush.
Okay. First thing. I don't really know what is a crash. I'm not English. I'm Romanian. I don't know what is a crash. What I know about crash is this is about crash. I mean, you take this, you take this and put it under a hydraulic press. If you know what I mean, that is a crash. Okay, put a finger down. I will show you here the fingers. I don't know really well. I see. I think it's something about love or something monkey. Okay. Or I make something like this, and you will see my hand. I have here like this and put like this, one or two or you know what? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I will make like this. Or I make like this and make one thing like this. Okay, yeah, I put fingers down. Okay, like this. Let's do.
Before we start, make sure to subscribe and don't.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
Okay, let's.
Let's begin. Put a finger down if you've ever had a crush. Put a finger down if you've ever tried to impress your crush.
I'm lovely, man.
Put a finger down if you think about them all the time. Put a finger down if you've ever stalked your crush on social media.
So the first thing, I from where? From where I can have a crush? From where? There are my school. Okay, at my school we are 10 people in a class. Okay, I'm in a village at school, so there are only 3 girls, and they are not really helpful or yeah, or smart. Let like that. Okay, my hand here. Okay. This is sad. They gave me an okay a game. You saw that there, down there.
Put a finger down if you have a crush on a celebrity.
I don't know if it's very good.
Put a finger down if you have more than one crush at the same time. Put a finger down if your crush is in one of your classes.
What I talk about school. I don't have any
Put a
kindergarten.
finger down if your crush is the most attractive person you've ever seen.
You fucking kidding me right now? Are you fucking kidding me?
Put a finger down if your crush shares your birthday month.
What is that birthday? Are you serious?
Put a finger down if your crush is taller than you.
Crash. Fair. Extremely good. It's loading. Let's see. I told you I don't have anybody. I'm alone. I'm alone, man. You can see me here. I'm alone. I have my phone.
Put a finger down if your crush is the same age as you.
Same age as me? No. No, he's not same age. He's not the same age. Are you lamb? I mean, he's nobody. Why is not loading? What is this shit? No.
The same age as you.
Okay. Point and prove. I don't point, I don't prove. I have nobody. In this video.
Put a finger down if your crush's name has 6 letters.
6 letters. 7. What? No. Okay, much
Put a
better.
finger
Okay, my internet is not good.
down if you have seen your crush today.
This morning, like this, I mean, it's 9. You can, okay, 9.
Put a finger down if you've ever made up a scenario in your head about your crush.
I think I saw nobody. Only my dumpster that I took from my yard. That was the single person I saw. Yeah, maybe this, you know.
Put a finger down if you pretend that you are not looking at them in public. Put a finger down if you have ever talked to your crush.
Nah.
Put a finger down if you've ever gotten butterflies in your stomach when you saw them. Put a finger down if you've tried to accidentally bump into your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever blushed when your crush talked to you.
I don't blush. I, yeah. Blush that
Put a
chocolate.
finger down if your crush doesn't know you exist.
Okay, I have that type. I have this. Doesn't know I exist.
Put a finger down if you've ever
If I want to exist, I exist where I want. Where I want, I want. If I want to exist.
been too shy to talk to your crush.
I am not shy. And I don't have a crush. This is the truth.
Put a finger down if you get nervous every time you see them.
Nervous? I don't get nervous. Then, I don't know.
Put a finger down if they are older than you.
Oh my god. Oh, they're older than me. How much? 17. Oh, who can be my aunt, my mother? Who that can be my grandma? Oh yeah, this is grandma, man. Grandma is my crush. This is funny, man. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, it's more fun.
Put a finger down if your crush has ever wished you on your birthday.
Yeah, my grandma wished me on my birthday. We have one more. Yeah. Okay, this is for fun. Okay.
Put a finger down if you've ever tried to make your crush jealous.
Ah! Jealous. No, I don't make jealous.
Put a finger down if your crush's name starts with A.
My name starts with A, but I don't have any more. This, yeah. Okay.
Put a finger down if your crush's birthday is in March.
March. It's gonna know. It's nobody. March. Not me. But yeah.
Put a finger down if you've ever dreamed about your crush.
If I do, let me remember. Let me. Oh, I dreamed about something. I was driving on BMG M3 um, on the road, and it was very beautiful. It was a lake on the right side and asphalt road, and it was very beautiful. That the BMW was uh, light blue was it was so I was driving with 100 kilometers per hour in miles, 60 miles per hour. Okay. I have more things about cars, about women. No, no, I don't have about women. Only cars. Console, Xbox, yeah, and AK-47.
Put a finger down if you've accidentally texted your crush.
Wait a second. I don't know if you can see, but I have no woman. Okay, I have, but I have no girlfriend or something. I mean, crush or something like that. In my contacts, I have nobody. Can you listen? I have nobody. Let's go. Let's continue.
Put a finger down if you've ever taken a quiz to see if your crush likes you.
No, I didn't take that. The only quiz I took, it was a gay quiz. Okay, it was a gay quiz. In my class, I was at school and I was with my phone. It was something about gays, and I took that quiz. It was on Chrome. Yeah.
Put a finger down if no one knows who your crush is.
Okay. I don't know.
Put a finger down if you are neighbors.
Neighbors. Okay. Another thing. I have no neighbors. Can you believe it? I have no neighbors. Here, nobody lives. It's abandoned house. Okay, you saw in other vids, and on the that part, nobody lives. It's a big house that hasn't been finished building, and there is the direction. It was okay. It is an old man. Okay, no much. I can say he doesn't exit because doesn't many much talk or exits from house. He's there and I don't know breaks logs or something. I hear sound. Okay, about how to say like this knocking something like this. Hammer uses hammer. Okay, I have no neighbors.
Put a finger down if you're only interested in something because of them.
I'm interested in what I want. Okay, I'm interested in what I want. The thing I am interested in is in tech, phones, um, consoles, laptops, laptops, and this is something like this. I know about engines, gasoline, diesel, electric, about how to make a project like this, D projects, die project. What I'm interested in nature. Okay, I like nature. What I'm interested in more in games. I like games. Roblox, Forza Horizon I played, but I don't have the game. GTA, I have GTA. I have GTA, GTA 5. I wait for GTA 6. Okay. Cars. In cars, I'm also interested in guns. You should know my old name was Alex likes guns, and now it's chainsaws. I don't post any much guns. I don't know why, but I will post one of them to keep the tradition. You know what I mean? And also cars, cause I like the cars. Yeah, and it's not stolen edit. It's edits borrowed from CapCut. What that? What's that bad about? My man.
Put a finger down if you are always talking about your crush to your friends.
Okay, I have friends, three friends. We are in this village, and sometimes I go with one and talk about cars and bikes, cycles. Yeah, about also we play on the PlayStation. We visit, we go in nature also, and I sometimes in when it's a good day, I don't know what them, in the evening like that, we go all four because I have three and with me four. We go and walk or with the bikes or with the or we walk on the street like a gang. You know what I mean? Or we play with Nerf. I have in my yard here. We play with the Nerf. You know my yard appears in many videos of mine. Or we are going in nature with the bike. Yeah, this is good. This is good. But I'm not talking about it. About crashes about them, but yeah, another ad. This time I will stay. My friends, if they have crash, I think they have. Uh, okay, let's continue.
Put a finger down if you've ever written your crush.
Something is here, very big. I don't know what is this about. Maybe works now. Are you kidding me? Who?
Finger down if you've ever written your crush's name on a piece of paper.
Hello. Oh, yeah.
Put a finger down if you've ever saved a picture of your crush on your phone. Put a finger down if you've changed plans to be with your crush.
Da, cine? Okay, I'm back. It was something someone from my school. Not the crash, not the crash. It was not the crash. It was my teacher that is like about yeah something. It's not a crash. Okay, don't be mad. It's not anyone.
Put a finger down if your heart skips a beat whenever they text you.
I okay. No, no, no. Trust me.
Put a
Okay.
finger down if your friends have a crush on them too. Put a finger down if they're your best friend.
I don't have female friend. I don't have female friend. Yeah. What are those? Three friends, all men. Okay?
Put a finger down if your crush likes someone else.
Keep it up.
Put a finger down if you've ever been heartbroken over a crush.
I'm bored.
Put a finger down if your crush doesn't like you.
Like you back.
Put a finger down if you've ever had a crush on someone you knew you couldn't be with.
What? What?
Put a finger down if you never get to see your crush.
Up there in the sky. Boeing 747. Okay. This is all. Thank you for watching this video with me. I hope you like. I will make a video today with CSGO 2. I hope you like this video and enjoy. Like and subscribe if you like my video. See ya, guys.